Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and interesting. Today we're talking about something that even advanced learners get confused about. How to use wish and if only in English. Have you ever been in a situation where you regret about the past or wish things were different now? That's exactly where we use wish and if only expressions. These expressions help you talk about things that you regret, things you wish were different, or even when you feel annoyed or disappointed. In this lesson, we will look at three situations. Number one, wish if only plus past simple, wish if only plus past perfect for past regrets. And number three, wish plus wouldn't for expressing irritation. Let's start. By the way, it's worth mentioning that both these expressions are connected with conditional sentences. They have a similar structure and they can be used in similar situations. Therefore, for those who remember this grammar topic, it will be much easier to learn how to use these expressions. And if you need to refresh your memory about conditional sentences, we've got lessons on the topic here on our channel, so feel free to check them out. Number one, wish if only plus past simple for present situations. How to use this? We use wish or if only plus past simple to talk about something we would like to be different now. Examples: I wish I had a car, but I don't. If only I knew Japanese, but I don't. I wish it were summer, but it's winter. One thing you need to remember, you can use were with all subjects. I wish I were taller.
I wish I had shoes like that.
I wish I could believe you.
This structure actually is similar to second conditional. It's about an unreal present. Number two, wish if only plus past perfect. When we talk about past, something we regret or would like to be changed, we use this construction. I wish I had studied harder, but I didn't. That's why I failed the exam. If only I hadn't said that. This means I regret about what I said, but I can't change anything now. I wish we had left earlier, but we didn't, and now we are late. And this structure is similar to third conditional, but the focus is a little bit different. Wish if only shows emotions and regrets. The third conditional shows a cause and an effect that didn't happen. Let's compare. I wish I had studied harder means I regret emotionally. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Here you show the logical result.
If only it had been enough for Gatsby, just to hold Daisy.
And number three, one of my favorite expressions, I wish plus wouldn't. When you express annoyance or irritations, you can use it to complain or express annoyance about people's behavior. Example, I wish you'd stopped interrupting me means you keep me interrupting. I wish he would stop being so lazy. I wish you wouldn't leave your stuff everywhere. This literally means I'm annoyed because this keeps happening. Now that's your turn. Write in comments one sentence about the present, one sentence about the past, and one more expressing annoyance. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you feel like watching something else, here there are more videos from our channel. Bye!